I'm Heidi. Welcome to my kitchen. So today we are making Ukrainian Syrnikis, which are little Ukrainian pancakes filled with farmer's cheese, which I'm very excited about. So in addition to the Syrnikis, I made a strawberry sauce out of a pound of strawberries, 2 cups of sugar, and 2 cups of water. And you can just reduce that over heat and let that reduce into a syrup. The ingredients for the Syrnikis are very simple. It's 8 ounces of farmer's cheese, a 1/4 cup of flour, 2 tablespoons of sugar, an egg, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then you would set up a bowl of flour over on the side of that. And there you see I'm pulling all the ingredients together and mixing it up. You mix it all together. And you basically scoop out these little balls. And you make little balls out of it, and you drop them in the flour. You dredge them in flour. And you make little pancakes, and you fry them. So if you watch, you'll see me do it here. Now my one regret is laying the Syrnikis out and not putting them on the fryer right away. If I were to do this again, and I am going to do this again, I bought the ingredients to do it again, I would drop them onto the griddle right away. Because the flour tends to fall off of them very quickly, and they are very soft and they fall apart very easily. And they need to get onto a hot pan right away. Because I laid them out ahead of time, instead of dropping them on the pan right away, some of them kind of fell apart, and it didn't quite work out the way I wanted it to. Oops, lost one there. Not my most successful attempt at cooking. But hey, they tasted great. My strawberry sauce was simmering down and starting to reduce into a nice sauce. So I went ahead and drained it. And then everything was ready to serve. And some strawberry syrup. I'm excited to try this. These are Ukrainian Syrnikis. Little Ukrainian cheese pancakes.
Really good.
Yeah?
Overall, my Syrnikis came out absolutely delicious. So I think I did a great job on the recipe part of it. The presentation, not so much. But the food tasted great. Thanks for watching, and if you guys enjoyed this video, be sure to like and subscribe for new content every week.